This week, we've got a pretty cool project that we got to build. We took some olive wood slabs and some real living moss, threw it all together to make a one-of-a-kind sign. We built this sample to test out how it would work before we built the final sign for our friends over at Pilates Body. First things first, we got to mill up our olive wood to create the backer for our sign. While this was in clamps, we decided to run a little test program on some scrap ply. We're gonna pull that guy out, put this olive wood panel in, and while that's cutting, we're gonna start working on our frame material, which is gonna be cut out of white oak or ash. Now that we got our frame done and our sign is all prepped, we're just cleaning the moss and organizing it by color so we can create a sort of random appearance so that it looks natural and like the moss is growing through the sign. Now that our moss is done and trimmed up and looking good, it's time to grab some plywood, build our French cleat, and then we'll take you to the install with us and show you how we use it.